Let's look at question number 23 of test series 4. It is based on the topic of OS. Here it is given that there are 4 blocks B1, B2, B3 and B4 of size 4K, 12K, 16K and 20K. Now there are some segments and their sizes are also given, and here we need to apply best fit strategy to fit the segments into these blocks, and we need to find where will S6 be allocated. So let's see the segments. Segment number, segment size. S2 requires 2K, S3 requires 6K, S4 requires 8K, S5 requires 6K, S6 requires 6K, S7 requires 2K, S8 requires 10K. Now we need to see where will S6 be allocated. So for that we'll draw four blocks B1, B2, B3 and B4. So first request is S2, 2K, it requires 2K. So B1 is having 4K free space, so it will be allocated to B1. Then next is S3, it requires 6K, so it will be assigned to B2. Next is S4, which is having 8K, so it will be assigned to B3. Next is S5, it requires 6K, so here it will be assigned to B2. Now next is S6, it requires 6K again, so as it B3 has memory left, 10K memory left, and B4 has 20K memory left, it will be assigned to B3 only. So S6 will be allocated to here. So answer for question number 23 will be D, that is B3. S6 has been allocated to block B3. Now next question, in that they are asking for the amount of external fragmentation. So for that let's finish the remaining 2 segments request. So S7 requires 2K, which can be allocated to B1 or B3. For simplicity, let's assume it is allocated to B1. And last is S8, which requires 10K, so it will be allocated to B4. Fine. So for question number 24, the amount of external fragmentation it will be 20 minus 10 plus 16 minus 14, that is 10 plus 2, that is 12K. So answer for question number 24 will be D, 12K.